If you are selling digital products online, should you pay your digital sales tax? If I ask the question like this, it seems ridiculous, right? Of course you need to pay your taxes, because otherwise you'll be in all kinds of trouble. But strangely enough, when it comes to digital sales tax, people don't seem to take that very seriously. So recently I've made videos talking about online courses and specifically our solution that we've created at Thrive Themes with Thrive Apprentice and SendOwl. Now, a big reason why we integrated with SendOwl is because it allows you to pay, to collect and then pay digital sales tax. Of course, it's unpleasant that this is necessary. Nobody wants to pay more taxes, but the reality is that there is this digital sales tax system in the EU that all digital content vendors must comply with, and digital sales tax is becoming the norm in other countries as well. I'm making this video because I've seen some questions about why we chose SendOwl and people asking about alternatives, right? Saying, oh, can't I just use this little membership plugin and I can save, I don't have to spend like $15 a month on SendOwl. And of course, that other solution is inevitably not tax compliant. And to me, this is a crazy trade-off to make. Look, here's how I see this. First of all, personally, I would never do this. I would never choose a solution that is not tax compliant because I don't want that kind of trouble. I mean, that can literally end your business. And I can also never recommend something like this because there's a possible outcome where this is what you do. You have a simple solution, it's not tax compliant, and you don't get into trouble. But there's an alternative possibility, which is quite likely in my opinion, is that you start with a solution like this, you're not tax compliant, you gain some level of success, and then at some point in the future, you lose everything because someone audits you, they see that you haven't been doing this right, they hit you with a gigantic fine, they hit you with back taxes, right, on everything that you owe, which is money you didn't collect and money you've already spent, and so you lose everything and you're saddled with massive debt, and you're thinking, well, but at least I saved $15 a month. It's crazy to me that GDPR, the thing about cookies and checkboxes and stuff on opt-in forms, caused such panic in the online marketing world, but digital tax seems to be something that people are just like, whatever. Digital tax is directly about whether governments get money from you or not. GDPR isn't. So they're going to come after you much harder if you aren't tax compliant than if you don't have a checkbox on your opt-in form. So in short, I take this digital sales tax thing seriously because I don't want to suddenly lose my business at some point in the near future. And that's why I recommend you take it seriously as well. Now, if anything about this is unclear and if you have questions about this, please leave a comment. Or if you disagree with what I'm saying here, please leave a comment. We are really looking to create the ideal set of tools and the ideal instructions for you if you want to sell online courses. And so your questions and concerns here will help us do that. So please leave a comment with your thoughts below.